They are very big. They are very big. Oh, yes, they are very big. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Mariana and today we are going to do some shorts. So I've been postponing in sewing these kind of shorts. They are mine. I've been doing baby clothes, but today I'm going to do my own short. So I had a request of showing you the behind the scenes because most of the time I do the projects and then I come we talk about them. So today I'm going to try, and so while we have a chat, I don't know how it's gonna go. I teach myself how to sew. Huwa najifunza mimi mwenyewe ndo najifunza. I watch videos on YouTube and then I just practice. So nikianza I bought Ankara fabrics and one was going for 1500. So yes, they are big, 5 yards, but while learning about sewing, you realize that you make so many mistakes. You're going to cut pieces that don't fit, the measurements are off. So I opted to use thrifted fabrics that even when I make mistakes, ninajua like sitaenda loss. So this is a tablecloth, a green tablecloth, and so far I have made 4 pieces. I've made 2 dresses for my baby, a pair of short, and now my own pair of short. This tablecloth was 50 shillings. So you can see for 50 bob I made 3 pieces. Yeah, so if you are learning how to sew, sisemi usinunue fabrics mpya. It's okay, you can buy, but be sure of what you want to make. Be sure of the measurements, like it's something that you're sure of. But if it's something that you're learning about, to use something that is very affordable, you can use bed sheets, buy bed sheets, you can use bed covers, you can use curtains, you can use tablecloths, because they are there. When you see like you are somewhere you can use those expensive fabrics, then go ahead. So tushone hii pair of shorts. Yeah, I'm just from making my baby a dress, so that's why you see everything is everywhere, but we're gonna move on. So the first thing that I do is to make sure that there is enough thread here and on the bobbin. And I'm going to use this kind of foot. The first thing that I'm going to do ni kukata huku mwisho mwisho. They are going to be short. So I don't want to be going to my legs. So you turn the fabrics inside out. Right side facing each other. And you sew the curve. So another thing that I check before I start sewing is length of the stitch, the tension, and yeah. Done. And then we sew the curve of the next. What I'm going to do about the raw edges, I'm going to do a zigzag a zigzag stitch. Or another thing that I can do is, from the previous videos you have seen that I open up the fabric, I lay this part flat on one side, and then I sew along. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, let me just do that, and then I'm going to show you. For now it's just raw. So another thing that I do, I make sure to do some small cuts at the curve. Very, very small curves. Small curves. So when I do the double stitch, it's good even for aesthetic purposes. So let's do the same for this other fabric. I've already done both sides, the double stitch. I lay them right sides together and I sew the sides. Now the next thing that you do is sewing the crotch area, the curve, the crotch area. So I've already done that, and you can see it's now in good shape, the shape of a shorter kind of underwear. Yes. So now we hem. It's a simple short. We hem the bottom, just do a double fold, and then we just go around. So I've already hemmed the bottom part of the short. So when I tell you it's going to be a short, look at that space. They're just going to be indoor shorts. I wanted a very baggy and loose kind of shorts, so that's where you see they are very big. They are very big. Yes, they are very big. So I'm going to use this. I think this is a quarter elastic band. I measure my own waist. So I measure my own waist. And then I do less inches by 5. I do 5. Yeah, so it's going to be 34. Yes. There. Now, so this is the elastic band. I'm going to sew it along the edge of the shorts, and then I will fold. Another way that you can do is just do a double fold. So from this side going round, but you leave some space where you're going to insert the elastic band inside. Yeah, so let's do the elastic band. So that's the waist. And so here are the perfect pair of shorts, indoor shorts, or we say underwear. Yeah. So I need to mark the front and the back. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe, comment and share. Until next time, bye bye.